Welcome to Yuzu and Asian fruit fusion dishes, where we explore the exciting world of global culinary trends for 2025. Yuzu and other vibrant Asian flavors like lychee and passionfruit are set to make big waves. Join me as we dive into creating delicious fusion recipes. In this video, I'll be creating 7 unique fusion recipes, from savory yuzu pasta to delightful desserts and versatile marinades. First up, we'll create a zesty yuzu pasta. Imagine the bright, citrusy notes of yuzu elevating your favorite pasta dish. Next, prepare to indulge in a sweet and tangy yuzu dessert. It's a perfect balance of flavors, a true culinary delight. And for our savory dishes, we'll explore versatile yuzu marinades that can transform any meal into a flavorful masterpiece. I'll guide you through step-by-step methods for each recipe, making it easy for you to recreate these dishes at home. Discover my secret flavor pairing tips that will help you combine ingredients to create harmonious and unforgettable tastes. Learn the art of plating to make your dishes not only taste amazing, but also look incredible. And of course, we'll do a taste test for each creation to ensure they are absolutely delicious. If you enjoy fusion food and culinary innovation, hit that like button and join our community for more delicious adventures. Happy cooking!